So for the best of breed, their role is number one, to review overall process controls, like SPC, is this adequate? Is the sensitivity enough? Or is it good? Can we trap all the defects? Standardize best practices. If we have 10 lines, we check which is the best performing line, and then let's see what's in this line, and then compare it with others, and standardize everything. Improve process procedures, and lastly, set up model line. When we say set up model line, what we mean by that is that all the ingredients, all the good characteristics like best operator, best machine, best jigs, best tools, we put it in one line. And what is the purpose? It is for benchmark, so we know the best can do. Okay? So that's the role of the best of breed. Now, if we look at it from this perspective, we have the standardization, execute controls and standardization, control lapses, additional controls, improvements from validated experiments. Then Six Sigma. Six Sigma, like what they said, the function really is to identify and validate critical factors. So it's not enough that you know what are the factors. For Six Sigma, you have to know what's the percentage contribution of each factor and which are critical. Okay, that's the main difference of Six Sigma with the other problem-solving methodologies. That's why its tagline is, Y is a function of X. Okay, we have to know what's really driving your Y, or your output. And then lastly, technologies. And then here, we have this group that monitors the validation. So let me tell you, let me describe to you the project, how the project. The project is actually an electrical characteristic of the product. The complexity is that we get the wafer, the main material from the US or Japan, and then we process it here. But we don't know if there are some characteristics in the wafer that affect that kind of defect. What's worse is that when we check the characteristics or the parametrics, we check it in China, okay, not here. So that electrical characteristic. Can you imagine the complexity? Okay, and